I wish I could be in my stall and eat my food. And when do I get to go home? Maybe someone knows. Hey, Abe,
Yeah?
do you know when I get to go back to my stall?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I know a story.
Save the story.
Choco knows.
Okay. Where is he?
Oh, yeah. He's over there.
Okay. Hey, Choco.
Yeah?
When do I get to leave?
Oh, but by the way, your trailer is here.
What is that noise? Oh, my trailer is here. Thanks, Choco.
Wait, do you hear that noise?
I do not hear a noise. You are just hearing stuff.
No, but that noise. Wait, where's Raven?
Raven is in the paddock.
My creature. Hello, creature.
Oh, hi, Buzz.
My creature has awoken.
A creature? As in, monsters?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I have an idea to be powerful. Come on, little kitty. Follow me.
Hey, Raven.
Yes, Tango?
Did you hear that noise last night?
No.
Oh, okay.
Enrique might have heard it.
Okay, I will ask him. Hey, Enrique.
Yeah? What's the problem?
Did you hear the noise last night?
No.
Okay, and I remember that. Wait, what is that sound? Dela?
Hello, farm horses. I am Queen Dela. That's Queen Dela, if you will.
Della, why are you here?
I wanted to show you my new pink outfit. It's the newest trend.
Why are you here?
I came here because I heard the noise too.
Wait, the noise? You heard it too?
What's up, guys? It's me, Choco.
And me, Camilla.
Camilla? Choco?
Okay, why are y'all here?
I came here because Camilla and Della came, and I don't want to be left alone.
I mean, I am here because Della is here, so yeah.
Anyways, we need to talk about this noise that we all heard.
Yes, in a minute. I just need to do something. BRB.
What?
Yes, it is sudden. I know.
Right now?
Yes, I know. Raven.
Excuse me.
A cat? Really? Why a cat?
Actually, I am not just a cat.
Why is there a cat here?
If you didn't know, cats are not allowed where Queen Della, otherwise known as Dragon, goes. So get rid of the cat, please, and thank you.
I mean, I don't have an opinion on cats.
Same.
Wait, cat. Did you hear the noise last night?
I am not just a cat. I know about the noise.
Wait, how do you know?
I can say, but I can help you. I can free you from the noise.